Assalamu alaikum. My name is Dr. Shahid Iqbal. I'm originally from Lahore, but I am staying abroad in the United States, Florida, where I'm practicing physician. I practice allergy immunology. I've been in the United States for almost 30 years. I have had this hair loss issue for 20 plus years, which gradually progressed. And on the emphasis of my children and my wife, I've been thinking about getting a hair restoration procedure done. And then also for my own self, my transformation, I made a decision to get this procedure done. So last year, I came to Pakistan and I discussed with my brother, and he told me about Hair Club. Had a chance to visit this place. I was very pleased with the way things are done in this institution. And but I did not have enough time because of my busy schedule. So I decided to come back to Lahore when I'm visiting my parents to get this procedure done. And this time I scheduled enough time to get this done properly. So I'm very pleased to share my experience, my journey with the hair restoration process in this institution. After initial discussion how this process works, I was so glad to see and meet Dr. Nasir Rashid, who happened to be from the same medical institute where I studied many years ago, from King Edward Medical University. Although he's much younger than me, he is very well renowned in this field. And I was so touched by his demeanor and his humbleness and the way he talked to me and explained me the procedure, and the whole teamwork was so amazing. And then they scheduled me. Despite his very busy schedule, he was able to accommodate me on a very short notice, which I'm deeply happy and grateful for his accommodating me in this procedure. And yesterday I came early morning and Dr. Nasir Rashid explained me again how this process worked. I was taken to the operating room, and as it was explained initially, everything was done in a very methodical way. Everything was sanitized from the beginning through the procedure towards the end. And I was amazed, even though I live in the United States for almost 30 years, and I've seen, and I was so impressed the way things are, this institute is doing in Pakistan, very impressive. The whole team work, from Dr. Nasir to his associate, he has associate 3 to 4 doctors who also do this procedure, as well as his operating room staff, and even in the reception. And so I had this procedure done. It's a hybrid procedure where the hair restoration is performed. And I'm glad to say that the way I was treated, it was much better than I expected. Highly impressed. The way everyone is so cooperative. I literally felt like home. And the medications were given me at every single step of the moment. And the procedure, as I was told, it is done under local anesthesia, and I hardly had any pain. Every single step, I was given local anesthetic, step by step. and the scrubbing and the hybrid way. It is a day-long procedure, but I never felt any tiredness, and I literally enjoyed my own transformation. And I was looking at myself through the mirror, how things were done. And there is incredible staff, and he has so many staff who does the work simultaneously. As Dr. Nasir is performing the procedure, the staff is taking the grafts and then implanting the graft on my head. The whole sequence was amazing. And at the end of the day yesterday, I was very happy, very pleased, and I was sent home with a proper instruction how to rest at night, and I was given the medication with a proper instruction, very thorough instruction, and I had a great sleep. Even though I thought, I may feel pain once the effect of anesthesia wear off, but I did not have any pain. And with those medication, I had a great sleep. I honestly overslept. And then today I came back here for the first head wash, which was performed also very well in a methodical way with the disinfection, and everything was explained to me in so detail. So I'm so happy and pleased to say that my whole journey, I felt like I was here like a family. They really made me feel like home. And I would highly, highly recommend to anyone who is interested in hair restoration and transformation. And I believe it's going to help me a lot. It's going to make myself happy, my family happy, and it will happen to you as well. And thumbs up for Dr. Nasir and his entire staff. Thank you.